Good morning, dear parents. Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are well. So, online teaching for the session 2020-21 in front of you, myself, Bandana. So, children, today we will see Class 3 English Lesson 4 Thomas Alva Edison. Uh, in this lesson, you learn about the life of Thomas Edison, a famous American inventor. You will learn about his childhood challenges, early careers, and the invention that made him famous. One of his invention is something you probably use every day. So here first we will know that who was Thomas Alva Edison. Have you watched TV, charged a phone, or even turned on a lamp? Does your home have light to help you see? If you answer yes to any of these questions, then you have Thomas Edison to thank. Thomas Edison was an American inventor born in 1847. He passed away in 1931 at the age of 84. He was famous for his many inventions, including the electric light bulb, the phonograph machine for recording sound, telegraph, a machine that can send messages long distance, an electric car battery, a camera to make an early version of movies. Early life. Thomas was the youngest of 7 children. When he was a child, Thomas had many infections and fever, which caused hearing loss in both ears. This would eventually lead him to become almost deaf as an adult. Thomas only attended school for a total of 12 weeks. He was very hyper, so his teachers told his mother he was difficult. His mother pulled him from school and taught him at home. Thomas got his first job at the age of 12 selling newspaper to passengers on trains. Eventually he started publishing his very own newspaper that he sold to the riders. He then learned how to operate a telegraph and at age 15 became a telegraph operator. When he was 19, he started working for a newspaper and used his free time to read and experiment. While working, Thomas continued to focus on invention, although none of them became popular yet. Invention. Thomas next moved to New York and created his first popular invention. He made a machine that improved shock sticker which help people who work in the stock market. Thomas was paid very well for this invention and decided to start invention full time. Thomas made his own manufacturing facilities to work for him. One of the most famous and prolific inventor of all time, Thomas Alva Edison exerted a tremendous influence on modern life, contributing inventions such as the light bulb, the phonograph, and the motion pictures camera, as well as improving the telegraph and telephone. In his 84 years, he acquired an aside from being an inventor, Edison also managed to become a successful manufacturer and businessman, marketing his invention to the public. The following is only a brief sketch of an enormously active and complex life, full of projects often occurring simultaneously, several excellent biographies, and readily available in locality to the focus of the particular to his life and many business ventures. Edison was a poor student when a schoolmaster called Edison. His furious mother took him out of the school and proceeded to teach him at home. Edison said many years later, "My pictures so that it has been said that Thomas Edison is more responsible than anyone else." So here Edison focused on the electric light system in 1878. One of the most famous and inventor in 1859, Edison took a job selling newspaper and candy on the Grand Trunk Railroad he set up a laboratory for his chemistry experiment and a printing press, where he started the Grand Trunk Herald, the first newspaper published on a train. An accident fire forced him to stop his experiment on board. Around the age of Edison focused on the electric light system in 1878, setting aside the phonograph for almost a decade. With the backing of financier, the Edison Electric Light was formed on November 15 to carry out experiment with electric light and to control any resulting from them. In return for handing over his Edison received a large share of stock. Works continued into 1879. as the lab attempted not only to devise but an entire electric lighting system that could be supported in a city. A filament of thread proved to be the key to a long-lasting light bulb. Lamps were put in the laboratory and many journeyed out to Menlo Park to see the new discovery. A special public exhibition at the lab was given for a multitude of amazed visitors on New Year's Eve. It has been said that Thomas Edison is more responsible than anyone else for creating the modern world as we know it today, with inventions such as the phonograph, the electric light bulb. But surprisingly, for such a great, he was slow to learn as a child, not even talking until he was 4 years old. During his life, it was said he was a great inventor. So, children, let us see this lesson. Thomas Alva Edison. One day, a 4 years old boy came home with a note in his pocket from his teacher. So, what happened one day? A 4 years old boy came home. When he came home with a note in his pocket from his teacher, which says, "Your child is very dumb." What happened? Here, the teachers said that your child is very dumb. He cannot learn anything. He cannot learn anything. When the boy's mother saw the letter, when he returned home, and the mother saw the letter, that she was very angry. So she was very angry. Why this all teacher wrote that he was very dumb. So the next day she sent a letter to the teachers. It read, "My son is not a dumb." Dumb here meaning we can say that dull and stupid. So he has a better mind than most boys of his age have. So what his mother said that Edison has a better mind than most boys of his age have. I will teach him myself. I will teach him myself in my home. He will not attend school. So sorry, I will not send my child to the school. He will not attend any classes. And she started teaching the boy at home. And she started teaching that boy, Alva Edison, the boy at home. And that boy grew up to be the great Thomas Alva Edison. So here the boy grew up, when the boy grew up to be the great Thomas Alva Edison. Why? Edison went to the school only 3 months of his life. Edison went to the school only 3 months of his life. Whole of his life, only 3 months he went to the school. His mother made learning so enjoyable. His mother made learning so enjoyable. Enjoyable means giving pleasure. She always told him that it was more important to think than simply remember fact. Remember here meaning is something back into your mind. Something back into your mind. So He always told him that it was more important to think than simply remember fact. She read out the best book she could find. She read out the best book she could find for Alva Edison so that she can explain everything to that boy. When Edison was just about 9, when he was 9 years old, he could read difficult books very quickly. Difficult means a problem, a situation that is hard to deal with. So in this condition, Edison was just in 9 years old. He could read difficult books. He could read difficult books very quickly, very fastly, in a nice way. His reading habit helped him to develop interest in science. His reading habit means Alva Edison habit helped him to develop. He has to interest in science books at the age of 10. When he was at the age of 10, he was reading science book. He set up a small laboratory in his room. So he and his mother set up a small laboratory in his room. Laboratory means a room that is used for scientific research. Laboratory means a room that is used for scientific research. Interest here meaning is a desire to learn or hear more about. So he spent most of his time doing experiment in the laboratory. Laboratory here means that a room that is used for scientific research. He sold newspaper and candy on trains to earn money for his experiment. He sold newspaper and candy on trains to earn money for his experiment. What happened now? He spent most of the time doing experiment. In his rooms, he spent lots of time doing experiment because he was very much interested in science book and doing lots of experiment in these laboratories. He sold newspaper and candy on train. So on train, he sold newspaper and candy to why? Because he want to earn money for his experiment. Because he earned money for his experiment. So he sold newspaper and candy on trains also to earn money for his experiment, because he know that for experiment he wanted lot of money. So for this he sold newspaper and candy on train. So children, up to page number 37 only this lesson, Thomas Alva Edison. In the next video I will move to the next page, and the rest of the exercise part and the word meaning I will tell you. So here we will see the difficult word: pockets, anything, and angry, dumb, better, myself, started, Thomas Alva Edison, learning, enjoyable, remember, difficult, interest, small laboratory, experiment, newspaper, and candy. So these all are the difficult word of this lesson. So thank you children.